Have you ever copied a class, changed 2 lines, and then realized you now have to maintain both forever? That's not scaling. That's what happens when you don't use inheritance. In this video, you'll learn how C# lets classes reuse code from other classes, how base and derived classes work, and how this keeps your programs clean and easy to extend. Let's start with the problem inheritance is designed to solve. When programs grow, you often end up with similar classes. They share fields. They share methods. They share logic. Without inheritance, you copy and paste that logic. And copy-paste code always comes back to hurt you later. Inheritance exists to share common behavior in one place. What inheritance is? Clear explanation. Inheritance means one class can reuse another class's code. You have a base class, the parent, a derived class, the child. The derived class automatically gets fields, methods, behavior. No duplication required. Base class explained. The base class contains common logic. This is the stuff all related classes share. For example, if you have animals, they might all have a name, a method to eat, a method to sleep. That shared behavior belongs in the base class. Derived class explained. The derived class inherits everything from the base class. Then it can add new methods, add new fields, extend behavior. It doesn't replace the base class. It builds on top of it. The colon symbol in C#. In C#, inheritance is declared using the colon symbol. This tells the compiler, this class is based on that class. Once you do this, the derived class automatically has access to the base class members, depending on access modifiers. Reusing methods with inheritance. The biggest benefit is method reuse. Instead of writing the same method in 5 classes, you write it once in the base class. Every derived class gets it for free. Fix a bug in one place. All child classes benefit. That's a huge win for maintainability. Step by step, how this works at runtime. When you create an object of the derived class, the base class part is created first. Then the derived class part is added. The object now contains both. This is why derived objects can use base class methods. Real-world example, animals. Imagine a base class called animal. Derived classes called dog and cat. Both dogs and cats can eat, sleep, but only dogs can bark. Only cats can meow. Inheritance lets you model this cleanly without repeating code. Common beginner mistakes. A common mistake is using inheritance when classes aren't really related. Another is putting too much logic in the base class. Inheritance should represent a real is-a relationship. A dog is an animal. A car is not an animal. Keeping this mental model avoids bad designs. You now understand what inheritance is, what base and derived classes are, how C# reuses code through inheritance, why this matters in real programs. If this video helped, subscribe, share it, and comment what topic you want next. Next, we'll take this further with method overriding and the virtual and override keywords. Have you